Hello friends, welcome to the Linux series. In this series, we are going to learn Linux from 0 to advanced level. This series I have mostly created for the developers who are working in the front-end or back-end technologies. In most of the Linux videos we have seen, they are going to show you thousands of commands. And this is not a Linux administration that we need. We need only those things that are needed mostly for deploying our applications or maybe in the DevOps. So this course or this lessons are mainly tailored for the developers to gain the Linux knowledge which is mostly used. So if I make this in a short statement, this course is like 20% of Linux that is used 80% of the times. So friends, in this course you are going to learn everything that is needed. And also at the end of this course, we are going to do some capstone project, one big capstone project. In that, we will deploy like a node or a front-end application to a Linux server. It's like a real-world scenario, like how a DevOps engineer does. So friends, and one thing friend, I have already created one roadmap video for Linux, but that is in English and Hindi. But for the sake of all the audience, I will be continuing this series in English only. So hope friends, the first video you can watch using the subtitles if anyone doesn't know Hindi. But from the next videos, it will be in English only. So happy learning friends. Goodbye.